Good morning, it's Sarah Wood of EmpoweredQueen.com, and my video tip today is on the diet versus non-diet approach to weight loss and what that means. And a little story really fast. I got an email today from an organization. It's supposed to be a body positive organization about loving yourself at every size and sustainable healthy weight loss. But they sent me an email regretting to inform me that they cannot include me in their directory because of my non-diet approach to weight loss. And I kind of cracked up because I thought maybe they think I'm selling a gimmick here. But, if you've been following anything that I do, you know that's not the case. I'm not selling you a pill. So I want to talk to you about dieting and considering if you ever think of yourself as someone who's struggled with dieting, like most of us have. If you're on a diet or if you're considering going on a diet again, replace the word diet with restriction. So if someone offers you something, you can say, I can't eat that. I'm on a restriction. Or I'm restricting myself right now. It doesn't feel good. But that's what dieting implies. It's kind of an icky feeling. No one really likes the idea of forever and ever I'm going to be on a diet. So instead, I want you to just be an eater who eats healthy food, who eats unhealthy food sometimes, but has a balance of what nourishes you on a level that feeds your need for nutrients, for nutritious food, that feeds your need for pleasure and enjoyment and comfort. And then your life isn't wrapped around thinking about dieting, it's just moving through the day where eating takes place sometimes and then sometimes you're doing something else. But I guarantee that most people on a diet spend 90% of their day thinking about that diet. And that's not a sustainable solution to weight loss. It's not the diet, it's getting underneath the underlying issues, because we all generally understand what it means to practice self-care and to eat healthy food. And we also understand that there's more to us than the food we put in our mouths. So that's my video tip today, and thanks for sticking around. It's a longer one, and I'll see you next time.